just want to come on here and film a little something. I'm Vanlifing currently. Been doing it for the past 3 to 4 weeks, about 3 weeks now. Went to Albuquerque first, now I'm here in Denver, Colorado. Just wanted to get the feel of everything before I started actually filming things. But now, there's no excuse now. 3 weeks. So here I am. Going to this park, some random park. And just want to see what it's like. Put up my first video, I guess, right? Right now we're chilling at my gal's Dia and Fields out here in Denver. Aunt and uncle's house. Been hanging around here for the past several days now. It's been cool actually to have a bed. They're letting me stay in one of the rooms they have. Having a bed is actually it's a luxury now, right? But yeah. So we're enjoying that luxury right now. But we're supposed to be taking off today, off to Aspen. Check it out. We don't want to drive too far. I gotta go back home. Had a wedding to go to in Monterrey, Mexico. So we're gonna drive back home to Texas and go down to Mexico and go to the wedding, and then from there we come back and continue our journey. So right now I'm just going to a park, just a local park around here. Check it out and see what else we can get into. I'm definitely gonna film more when we head up to Aspen. Probably put up a video here soon about that one. So yeah, I'll check with you guys when I get to the park, and I'll show you the van. I'll show you around the van. It's a bit dirty in the inside. You know, we did minimal things to it. We don't have a build yet, but definitely want to do that in the future. So yes, I'll get back to you guys whenever we're at the park. Hello, made it to the park here. Some local park. A couple ponds over there, but just wanted to introduce the van here. It's a 1997 Toyota Hiace Living Saloon EX. It's full-time 4-wheel drive, automatic, 4-speed. It's a 3.0 turbo. It's a neat van. It's been great to us. No problems at all since we've got it from Vanlife Northwest. Shout out to Vanlife Northwest out in Portland, Oregon. Danny and his crew hooked it up with the add-ons, a full overhaul. The add-on, which is the roof rack, solar panels, batteries, Wabasto heater, diesel heater connected to the actual tank of the van. Here goes the exhaust. We purchased this online, the ladder. When we received it, it also came with the lift and the BF Goodrich KO2 tires. Vanlife Northwest. It's a super custom, so far it's been great. It's a little diesel, and I mean it does its thing. You really can't complain.
It's not built for speed, that's for sure, but it's definitely a crawler. It can get you to wherever you need to go, as far as in mountains and deserts. Yeah, I try not to go too extreme whenever I go off-road with it, but yeah. I would show you the inside, but it's a bit dirty, and yeah. You know what? Matter of fact, I will show you. We don't have nothing yet. We just took out the seats that were in there. Got stuff. This is our bed. Just roll it out whenever we're ready to go to sleep. And yeah, the Wabasto heater right there. I got a little rice right there that I'm getting ready to cook here soon. It's got the moon roof. It extracts all the way back down, all the way back, so you can pop your head out or whatever you need to do. That's the solar panel there. And it also has 2 windows in the rear. Those don't fully open, but they pop up. Also, we have a pop-up. It pops up, boom. So that's cool. Get good views whenever we sleep in the mountains. We get to see the stars and what have you. So yeah, there's really nothing much to it. I just wanted to show you the van, and I'll be filming a lot more videos about our journey, and hopefully you guys can tag along, you know. Let me start it up so you guys can hear how strong the little motor is. It's a 1KZ. Also came with the tachometer there, which is pretty cool. The engine compartment is actually under the passenger seat here, so that's pretty cool. You gotta lift this, lift it up. You lift the cup holder up, and there's another latch here that you reach for and unlatch it, and this whole thing comes up along with the center console there. Pretty good van. I personally do the oil changes, the filter changes and all that, so it's not that hard to maintain, you know. Pretty cool van, so does the trick. Gets sure is a head turner, that's for sure. So there it is. We call it FLEA. His name's FLEA, so hopefully you guys can tag along with our journey and our adventures, and I'll try to do the best I can to put up quality videos, you know, and yeah. I just want to give y'all a little run through of the van, and that's really much it. Oh, also I forgot, we have an awning, also an add-on for the van. It's pretty cool. Rolls out, it's got little LED light strips on it and what have you, so. And the little mirror back here. Little Japanese van. Yeah. The FLEA. It's very capable, I'll tell you that much, so I'm happy with it. But anyways, that'll be the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And stay tuned, we'll have much more adventures that we plan to bring you guys along with. So yeah, cheers.